Hello and welcome to the How to Film Weddings YouTube channel. My name is John Bunn, and if we haven't met yet, hi, nice to meet you. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about something that I've really realized over the last few years in my consultations, and that is treating people well and guiding them in the process. Now, if you haven't read Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller, I would highly recommend it. And I'm using some of the principles from this book, and we will link the book in the description below. But I was on a consultation yesterday, and the couple ended up booking me for $17,500. I just booked an $18,000 wedding. I'm about to book another $18,000 to $20,000 wedding, and I have come across a way to really ensure that I am getting the most bang for my buck when it comes to my consultations, and that is by guiding people through the process. While on the call the other day, I was talking to the bride and the groom, and I have done this over the years, but I'm guiding them and showing them exactly what it is that they really need for their wedding, and I'm not just trying to sell them something. I don't have a script. I'm learning about them, I'm listening to them, and then I'm honestly showing them what I think with my expertise is the best thing for them and their wedding. Now, I'm expensive, it comes at a cost, I get it, but you can do this no matter where you are in your business, whether you're newer, whether you've been doing it for a while. You don't have to make up a lie and say that you're the expert or anything like that, but you can still guide people with the experience that you have. In some of our recent mentor sessions, I've started to talk to people and try to really help them understand this. And this is where I wanted to record this video because I likened it yesterday in a mentor session to going to a furniture store and buying a couch. Wedding filmmaking is kind of like that. The person coming into the store just knows they need a couch. They don't know the different kinds of fabrics. They don't know that leather is better than fabric because of this. They don't know what is the stain resistant thing. They don't know if it's made of oak. They don't know. But if you walk into a furniture store and someone greets you and says, "Hi, we have couches for sale. They're over there." That's all that they tell you. You're kind of going to be like, well, I don't know. Or if they say, "Here's all the couches. Here's everything that we sell. Every single couch is on this list. Go ahead, you pick which couch you need." A lot of people do that with their consultations. They do that with their pricing guides, things like that. They just kind of send them everything and expect the bride, the groom, to know what it is that they really need. Now, if you turn that around and you say, you walk into a furniture shop and someone greets you and says, "Hey, how are you doing today? What are you here for?" And you tell them you're looking for a couch, and they start asking you questions. Do you have kids? Are you using this a lot? Do you want comfort? Are you wanting something more stylish? What are you going to use this for? How are you going to use this couch in your life? That gives them a lot more information, and they can say, "Oh, well, we have kids and we're going to use it for our family living room and something that's comfortable, that will last, that's stain resistant." And the salesman might walk over and say, "I have exactly the couches that you want to look at. I want you to come check these out, come sit on these couches, come check the look, come check the vibe. These couches are the ones that you're going to want." He might start telling you, "I've been doing this for X amount of time. I know exactly the best brands. I know everything there is to know about couches, and I'm going to show you what is best for you." And you walk them and guide them into purchasing a couch that fits best for them. That is a completely different experience than saying the couches are that way. When you're doing your consultations and when you're walking your couples through this process, think of it like that. Think of it in a way where you're guiding them, you're asking them questions. What's important to you? Who's your best man? Why are they your best man? What are you going to do with this wedding film? What do you want to do? Do you want to show this off to how much money you are spending? Do you want to show this to your kids one day? And you're guiding them to understanding the value of what it is that you do. In this consultation yesterday, I was just kind of feeling them out. I didn't know if they really had a budget, but by the time the consultation was over, they were completely ready to book with me and did book with me on the spot because they trusted me. I had walked them through when they should do their first look. I had walked them through the ceremony time and the sunset time, and I had just proven to them that I knew and cared a ton about their happiness based on what was really important to them. By doing that, you're going to up your consultation games a ton. And before I move on, if this video is helping you, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is being real with people and taking good care of people. If your mindset is, I just need to sell this person something and I've got to get through my list, I'm not comfortable, if you're not confident, you're not taking care of them. If you're at the couch store and the couch salesman walks you through, gives you time to think about it, doesn't make you feel pressured, helps show you the best value, maybe shows you a couple options that are a little more expensive, what happens whenever you buy that couch? You trust him. And what do you do when your friend is gonna buy a couch? You say, oh, you gotta go over to this store and check out this guy. He helped us a ton. He will walk you through everything and you'll start getting referrals. And that is exactly what I've done in my business. And that's exactly what we teach inside of our complete wedding videography course, which by chance is coming up for enrollment in the next few weeks. So in the description, there is a link for a free section of our course all about consultations that goes right along with this content. Again, if this video was helpful, we would appreciate it if you took a second and liked this video. It means the world to us. We love the How to Film Weddings community. We're thankful for each and every one of you. And until next time, we'll see you.